Some of the challenges that girls are facing in relation to menstrual hygiene, we do have, most girls are from the communities that we have interacted with, coming from very needy backgrounds, which means they cannot afford sanitary towels, and most of them are having to source for these sanitary towels from other people who are not their parents, and often these people are predators, I would call them that, and they end up getting into these relationships, and they end up pregnant, and a lot of them end up starting the cycle of gender-based violence, because when you get married early and all that, we do have an issue with gender-based violence, and we do have also cases of girls having issues with mental health, because when you do not have access to basic needs, that is obviously going to stress you out. So that is why we came together and decided to start this initiative, so that we can address this issue. If we can at least change the life of 1 or 2 girls, I think we will be okay. This initiative was born out of a need to help the girl child and the women in our community, because after doing a series of community dialogues, we realized that most of these women are not able to access or even afford sanitary towels.
A call to everyone to be part of this. Let's not stigmatize menstrual hygiene. Let's not politicize menstrual hygiene. Let's address the pertinent issues that are affecting the women, the children in aspects of menstrual hygiene. So it's a collective responsibility for everyone, and also calling into action some of the county government, some of the duty bearers, the legislatures, to implement the policies that are there, or even pass policies that are there. For example, in Kisii County, we're asking the county government to pass the gender mainstreaming policy to address the issues of menstrual hygiene and issues of sexual reproductive health rights.